What's good, and good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. It's my last day here, guys. I'm flying home tonight. There may not be any videos tomorrow, just due to the fact that it's like a 24-hour trip altogether with multiple flights and layovers. So just want to let you guys know. But we're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 48,108. We're down about 0.10% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 899 billion. 24-hour volume is 30.65 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. It's my favorite app for investing. $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So you can see we ran into a bit of a level of resistance here, right at about, I'm just going to drop it in, 48.4K. You can see there was resistance in this area, a little bit of support in this area. If we scroll back here, you can see there was a lot of support here, and was also a previous swing high. And that's currently the level of resistance we have run into here. However, as you can see, we are consolidating and the EMAs are catching back up here on the candles. As I had mentioned in my last Bitcoin video, I said we'll either see a backtest of support or some consolidation before seeing continuation, as we are looking rather strong. So your levels of support here that I watch is 47.3K. Just about this zone here in between about 46.6 and 47.3. You can see all the support and resistance in this area. And we're also creating a bit of a bull pennant here. And it's quite a large breakout. If you measure your flagpole here, all the way down from breaking out from our symmetrical triangle, it's a juicy breakout of about, let me give a little price target here, 53,067. So do keep an eye on that if you do see a bit of a breakout here. If we were to lose this level of support at 46625, really you don't have much support here till down at our previous level of resistance at 44,943. Now I talked about the importance of breaking through this resistance at 44.9. As you can see here on the daily, I said if we're able to break that level of resistance, we'll be back above the EMAs, which is an extremely bullish sign of continuation, especially on the daily chart. And as you can see here, we've had the bullish cross, guys, of the EMAs. And let me show you the last bullish cross that we had right here. Bullish cross, massive pump. If we go back here, let's go all the way back down to our last bullish cross on the daily, all the way down here. So our last bullish cross was right here in October. And you guys know what happened after that. Let me open this up. Bitcoin had a pump. Let me open this up so it's more visible. Take our little measuring. Bitcoin had a pump of 516%. So the fact that we've once again had the bullish cross is an extremely good sign for continuation, that we're going to break our high of 64K and reach 100K and beyond, in my opinion. All right, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. So we'll finish off the video, just a quick drink of water. So this bull pennant is the pattern you want to watch. If we do break out to the upside here, your target is 53K. We still have the 50K target from our larger double bottom on the daily. And then just keep an eye on this zone of support, 46.6 and 47.3. I would expect us to hold these levels, but if we were to break it, do target 44.9, but I think it's unlikely in my opinion. Guys, I've been making some incredible profits trading on Bybit, trading altcoins, Matic, Sol, Phantom, as well as Bitcoin. You get $50 just for making your first deposit within the first 48 hours and up to $600 in bonuses. If you want to trade these breakouts with me, I highly recommend signing up to Bybit, and you can check out my full length tutorial if you're new to the platform. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.